Good morning, everyone. Good morning, lovely lady. Well, I'm originally from Peru, and I came to Holland when I was 4 years old. I was just very myself when I was a young boy. And even when you're that young, you don't even think about gay, straight, trans. Not during that time. You know, you were with the boys or you were with the girls. I always need a little bit of coffee because without coffee, oh, that's the wrong draw.
Morning, beautiful.
Good morning, my love. This is my partner, Andy. And we've been with each other almost like for 6 years now. How's my hair? Is this good or is this better?
Beautiful. No, you don't want to change it in the middle of film.
No?
How's mine?
I love it. 6 years already. Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's like 30 years in gay years. I dealt with a lot of inner homophobia growing up. I really was hoping and praying that, okay, it will go over. I will be straight one day. So I just tried to have like girlfriends. But when it got like a little bit more intimate, I was like, oh hell no, we're not gonna go that way. At high school, everybody saw that I was gay. It showed, you know, my eyebrows were like this thin. There was some violence sometimes with the boys who were a little bit older. But, you know, they didn't kick the gay away. I'm still very gay. It really took a long time for me to fully accept myself. So when I was 21 years old, I came out to my mom. It was a very big argument, but I know my mom. And the most important thing for my mom is to have a home with love. So she decided to listen to me. My self-love really started at home. Home is the base. Home is where you can be yourself, where you can just take off the mask and just be who you are. My relationship with my mom is fabulous now, I must say. You know, I had a second coming out as a drag queen. And my mom was also like, oh my God, here we go again, this child, what's going on? I always say, drag has made me the man that I am today. You know, I discovered so many qualities in myself as a person and so much colors of myself as a person by doing drag. Drag is so much more than just putting a wig on and some makeup on. I always see people leave with a smile when they go to a drag show. That's a part of the job that I really enjoy. There was an incident last year, you know, that I was a victim of violence, and anti-gay violence. When you fall, it's how you get up. And I got up, and I'm actually more prouder than ever. I refuse to go back in the closet, and I refuse to live in fear. You know, we have rights to live authentically who we are. People should try drag, just once in their life. Straight, a woman, a man, straight, bisexual, whoever you are, just try drag. And she's done. Yes, darling, get into this fantasy. Wait, let me give you a little over shoulder. Ooh. Come in. I'm done, it's a wrap. Oh, thank you.